Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Arya Guna Panduraman Priyadi. We form the first group from courses System Operation. We will presentation. The topic presentation with the title Computer System. Okay, just get to the point. Okay, let's do it. Computer System Definition. A computer system is a collection of computer devices that are interconnected and interact with each other to carry out a data processing process so that it can produce information that is really needed by its user. The device contained in a computer system consists of hardware, software, and brainware. Each of these devices has its own function in a computer system, but when carrying out their duties, a computer device will work and support each other. Hardware cannot work without software and hardware, neither of which can be used to produce information if there is no brainware. That runs in Gibbs command. Next, define exciting in a computer system. Hardware. First, hardware, or what can also be called perangkat keras, is an electronic device that is on a computer, can be seen with naked eyes, and can be touched physically. Hardware itself is categorized into three types, namely, first, input device. Hardware used to enter data into a computer. Example, mouse, keyboard, scanner, microphone. Second, process device. Hardware that is useful for receiving data from input device and processing that data. Example, processor, RAM, not brain. Third, output device. Hardware used to display the result of data that has been processed by a computer. This device display information to user. Example, monitor, projector, printer, dan lain-lain. Okay, now get to know how computer works from input, process, output. The following is how a computer works starting for input, process, output. That can you learn. The way a computer works starting from input to producing output is known as a computer system. Here we have a picture how a computer works starting from the input, process, and finally the output. In a computer system, several stages occur starting from input the producing output. The stage of how a computer works from input produce output in the brief include, okay, first, the data is entered into a computer system. This data can be in the form of letters, numbers, image, or design. This data can be inserted into the CPU or central processing unit using input components such as a keyboard, mouse, tape, handycam. Second, then, in the CPU, a data communication process will occur. This process takes the form of data that is submitted to the application program and then forwarded to the operating system program. Third, the operating system program will later convert this data into machine language. The purpose of this consists in so that the data entered can be understood by the electronic equipment contained in the computer. Fourth, the change data can process. Then, by the operating system, the data will be converted back to the application software so that it can be displayed on the monitor screen. Last, fifth, if the display on the monitor screen match the user, which the user will then give introduction to this computer. So that is the step-by-step introduce how computer works starting from input, process, and finally output. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fernigara Wijaya. I want to explain a software. Software is collection of electronic data stored and organized by computer. Electronic data stored by computer can be programmed that is useful for executing a command. This software cannot be held in its use. Software is classified into 5 types, namely 1. Operating system. The operating system is a program that functions to control the basic work system so that it can manage the work of input data, output media, processing media, such as Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac OS, and Linux. Number 2, application program. Application programs are software designed specifically for certain needs, such as word processing, presentation processing, graphic design, such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Adobe Photoshop.
Okay guys, in this section I'm gonna tell you what is brainware. Brainware is the human component of a computer system. It is the intelligence that operates the hardware and software, and it is essential for the system to function. Brainware can be divided into three main types. The first one, we got a programmer. Programmers are the creators of a software. They write the code that tells the computer what to do. The second one, we got administrator. Administrators are responsible for managing the computer system. They install and configure software, troubleshoot problems, and ensure that the system is running smoothly. The third one, we got operator. Operator are the users of the computer system. They interact with the hardware and the software to perform tasks. So basically, brainware is a user or a person who using a computer system or program computer. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ragil Hidayat. I will be explain function computer system. There are three function computer system, namely 1. Inputting data. Inputting data is one of the functions of computer system, namely inputting existing data into the computer. The computer system is tasked with inputting all kinds of data they have been entered by a user via hardware device such as mouse, keyboard, microphone, and so on. So the first thing computer system doing is input the data by entered by a user. 2. Processing data. Processing data is one of the functions of computer system, namely to carry out a process whose task is to transfer raw data into information that can be read by computer memory. This data processing is usually carried out on a central processing unit with a sole function as the brain of the computer. So, in the processing data, data will be processed via a CPU so that data can be read by computer memory. 3. Generating data. Generating data is one of the functions of the computer system who takes its product and output which is one of the result of data that has been processed. The output result can be in the form of information, image, sound, or video which has been included in the data processing from the start. So, after processing data, computer system will produce a new data in the form from information, in the form is image, sound, or videos.
Is Rifki Sarip Dayat. This time I will explain about programming language and assistant program. First, I will explain about programming language. Programming language. Language software is a program that is used to translate instruction written in programming language into machine language with certain procedures or rules so that they are accepted by the computer. Secondly, I will explain about the assistant program. Assistant program, this software function as a helper application in activities related to computer and is system software with certain functions such as antivirus, CC cleaner, WinRR, and etc.
Okay, next types of computer system. And first, personal computer, or as known as PC, is usually used for personal and general purpose such as desktop computer or laptop. And second, server. Server are used to store and manage data and provide service to other computer network. And server can be thought of a center that provides service or data to computer or other device on network. The main function of server to provide and service to user and client computers, such as data storage, website hosting, sending emails, or managing database. Mainframe. Mainframe is a large computer with powerful resources, often used to manage complex system and large volume data. So mainframe are used in large corporate or institutional environment for purposes such as business transaction processing, data management, and application that require a high level of reliability and performance. And next, supercomputer. Computer with very high processing capabilities are used to process large volumes of data in a short time. So supercomputers are often used scientific research or modeling process that require extraordinary computing process or computing power, such as weather forecasting, scientific simulation, pharmaceutical research, nuclear modeling, or modern weapons development. Okay.